To sign up, click the Login button on the top left corner. In the pop-up box that appears, click the Click Here link to access the sign-up page. Fill in your name, email, company name, and password in this page. Once you're done, click Sign Up. A confirmation email should be sent to you via the email that you registered with. Remember to check your spam or promotion folders because sometimes the confirmation email may end up there. Open the email and click the underlined link. You will be directed to BNBLive's login page. Scroll along the page where you'll find the login form. This is the host dashboard. You can access areas like your account settings, listings, reports, booking, and the Help page. To access your account, click the My Account button. This is your About You page, where you can do things like change your picture, display name, and country. You can also make changes to the official information you'll use when you make bookings, such as your title, name, gender, phone number, and contact information. Click Submit to save them. You can also change your password in the My Account section. Simply type in your current password in the Old Password field. Then, enter the password you wish to change to in the New Password and Retype New Password fields. Once you're done, hit Submit to make the change. The Listings page allows you to list a hotel or room in the system. To access the Listings page, click the BNB button on your dashboard. Let's add a new property. Click the Add Listing button on the upper right corner. Enter information such as the property's name, type, location, and address. Enter the contact information where people can reach you for inquiries. Tick the box next to an amenity to signify its availability. Untick an amenity if it is not available in the property. You can also include places of interest that are located near the property. Enter relevant information in these fields to help clients decide if the property is right for them. Fill in the fields in the Key Facts section to clarify technical information such as the property size, how many rooms are in the property, and check-in, check-out timings. Fill in the fields with the Traveling with Others section to inform your clients if pets and children are allowed. You can also include information such as internet availability in this section. Let your clients know if there are any transport-related facilities available. Enter the amount you require your clients to pay as a deposit. The value needs to be in percentages. For example, we require clients to pay 20% of the total bill in advance. The SEO section should be filled with keyword-based information that will help your listing appear in search engine or Google results. Once you're done, hit the Submit button and your listing will appear in our database for people to see. To upload pictures of your listing, click the Upload Pictures button to the right of your listing. Click the Upload Pictures button in the Upload page that appears. Click Browse in the pop-up to select files from your computer to upload. Click the Back button to return to the Listings page. You can also make changes to your listing by clicking the Edit button to the right of the listing. Simply make any changes necessary. Click Submit when you're done making changes, or if no changes were made, simply hit the Back button. You can also manage different types of rooms your property listings have available by clicking the Manage Room Type link in the navigation bar to the left. Simply click Add Room Type in the Room Type page to add a new room type. Select the property in the Hotel drop-down menu. Enter a name for the room in the Name field. If the room has the amenity listed, click the checkbox on the left of each type to mark it as available. Select the type of bed that's available in the room. Select the number of beds of that particular type available in that room. The additional bed number and types are for cases where your room has more than one bed type. In our example, our room contains one king-sized bed and one single bed. We entered the information like so. Enter a brief description of the room in the Description field. Enter the number of guests that room can accommodate at a time. Enter the amount you'll charge for each extra guest if the total number of guests exceeds the designated capacity. Once you're done, click Submit. Upload images for that room by clicking the Room Type Image button to the right of that particular room. To upload another picture, simply click Upload Pictures again and repeat the steps above. You can easily manage the rooms of a particular property by going to My Listings, then click Manage Rooms to the right of the property. Click Add Rooms on the top right corner of a page to add the room. Enter the room's name and number in the respective fields. Remember when we added a king-sized room type a few minutes ago? This is where it comes in. This room in this property is a king-sized bedroom, so we'll select that from the drop-down menu. Enter a room size and select if the room has direct access to a bathroom. Click Submit when you're done to save the room. Once the room has been saved, you can edit its availability from the Set Availability tab. Click Add Date on the top right corner. Select the start and the end dates for the room's availability. Then, designate a price for that particular date range. Click Submit to save. Let's say we want to have a different price for weekend stays. You can click the particular date to delete its current price settings. After the original price has been removed, click the date again. A pop-up box will appear where you can set your special price for that particular date. Click Yes to save. You'll have to repeat this process for each special date. Let's add a picture of our new room. Click My Listings from the navigation menu on the left. Click Upload Pictures. In the page that appears, click Upload Pictures, then hit Browse. Select the picture from your computer, click Open, and finally hit Submit. Once you're done, hit Back to return to the Properties page. To edit a room, click the Edit Room button to the right of that room. If you've made changes, click Submit to save them. Otherwise, just hit Back to return to the Properties page. Click the Reports button on the dashboard to access information about your properties and your previous bookings. You can see information like the order ID, which room was booked, when the clients checked in and out, and etc. Type the order ID you're looking for and click Search on the far right. If an entered ID is wrong or does not exist, an error message will show. Click Reset to clear the search results. You can also use the other fields, like the Amount field, in the same way. Click the View button on the right of an order record to access further details, such as the client's profile. This is where you can change the client status. Toggle the buttons to change their status. There is a summary of the room order further down the page too. Click Booking, then My Booking from the navigation menu on the left. This is where you can find your personal bookings. Use the Status drop-down menu to filter your orders by their statuses. successfully booked, failed, or cancelled. Click Search to apply the filter. To clear the search results, simply click Reset. That's about it. BNBLive is your one-stop application for setting up your own BNB. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us via email at info@bnblive.com.